I am Algapay Mukaram. So now we are going to learn about the volleyball skill. So first, volleyball skill, serving. Serving, there are three kinds of serving. So first, underhand serve, second, overhand serve, third, jump serve. So yun po ang serving. So second, skills of volleyball, passing or for arms pass or bump. So third, sitting. So fourth, attacking. So five, blocking. Six, digging. So yun po. For serving, so dapat ganito ang posisyon mo. Serving, ganito. It is slow, make sure may pasa yung bola sa gitna. At dapat control mo yung bola. Dapat ganito. Ganyan. So yun. Second, overhand serve. So overhand serve, it is powerful, but dapat kontrolado mo rin yung bola sa when you hit the bola, dapat make sure dapat nakontrol mo para it cannot be to outside the court. So let's see this. Ganito yung pagampas mo ng bola. So yun. The last kinds of serving, it is jump serve. So jump serve, it is very powerful to hit the ball. Ito ay pinakamahirap i-receive ng kalaban because ito ay pinaka speed or mabilis yung pag-atake mo ng bola at dapat naka-jump ka before you hit the ball to going sa kalaban or sa kabila. So let's see this. Ay.